watch the video. I think I did my artwork right. I'm gonna find out here in a second when I move this from Photoshop to Illustrator. So give me 1 second and I'm gonna print these off. Based on the size of this image and based on the size of my boards, I had to place the image a little higher than normal, so my setup is a little weirder than normal. Cool. Take film 2. Lined up. Directly on top, I moved it. Right here from trying to get it too fast. Got some screen that busted out, but everything else came out. I don't know if this is good or not. I don't think that's good. Nope, none of those details retained. So I have 2 of my screens exposed. I've got my white underbase, which has got a lot of detail. I've got a secondary screen that was a lot darker, didn't need a high mesh count. I'm on my toughest screen. The one that I just showed you is just washing out completely. This is now my 3rd time trying to wash this out. You can hear that in the background. That's the power washer. Right now, I just put another screen in my drying rack, and in a few seconds, I'm gonna try again to expose. I just keep blowing out every single detail. I don't know if I'm not exposing long enough, or if I'm washing too much, or if I'm so loud, or if I'm washing too much. But we're gonna figure this out. This is try like number 500. I'm gonna go ahead and put my film positive here, line it up. Next time I'm gonna try exposing a little longer because I was seeing that I am underexposed. So I'm gonna try a little longer before going to the washout booth. Wish me luck. Because I need that to be as dark as I can possibly get it. Trying this with 2 films for the extra darkness. Just pulled it off the exposure unit, put a little water on it to let it break down, and wish me luck here. Yeah, it looks like I'm still a little underexposed. Break this down and try again. I feel like Tony Stark when he was testing out the Iron Man suit. Just recording myself and all these failures. One of these is gonna work. So I still have not figured this out. Went to a few Facebook groups, mainly the Rogue Printing group, and I've changed my artwork. I've tried different screen meshes, went back and changed the artwork, changed my exposure times, yada, yada, yada. Short version is I got to take a road trip now. And there's a guy in the Rogue Printing group who says he could possibly help me. So we're headed that way.
So like this is the halftones, this is all through Photoshop. And no rip software or nothing.
Turn off all the lights.
Okay. I have drying cabinet, we'll put the screens in here for now. Just
get that bag, baby girl.
so we can, oh yes. See how shit, I got no electric out here and I got no water.
Yeah. All right, screen's done, heading home, getting to work to knock out these shirts. Longest weekend ever. See you soon.